Hi guys, we've decided to do a little bit of a European road trip off the back of the Nürburgring, where we did a bit of a track day, and now we've driven into Luxembourg. Check out these amazing views. You got the chateau there, absolutely amazing. Sometimes we come on these trips and we film all the car and the track days, but we never get a chance to actually check out the views and the beautiful places. So we're going to turn this into a little bit of adventure. So I think we're going to go, there's no plan, we're just going to come, we've drove from Germany through to Luxembourg. I think we're then going to head out to Bruges maybe, and let's see how many miles we can clock up on the GP. So we've done a few thousand miles now on the European road trip. The MINI GP has been fantastic. Considering it is a race spec car, it has been very comfortable. It's been very smooth, so you can put it in GP mode on the racetrack. Obviously you guys have seen us on the Nürburgring, which is fantastic. But as soon as you whack it out of GP mode, it is very comfortable. It's a very usable car and it's been great around Europe. There hasn't been one moment that I've turned around and said that this is really uncomfortable or I'm hurting in any way. And it's probably a perfect car for a European road trip. I would definitely recommend though getting the touring pack. It has been a little bit chilly over here in Germany, so having the heated seats has made a massive difference. So we're now in Luxembourg. Do you want to be on the camera? No. Have a look at the scenery. Honestly, it's beautiful. We've seen some great places today. And we've got Scott's pub there. I think we'll be rude not to go into Scott's pub. And then we've got the professional photographer over there doing what she does best. Cheers. So we've had an amazing day today in Luxembourg. What a beautiful city. We're just walking down the street now to check out some of the properties, and they're absolutely stunning. I'll just quickly show you now. Absolutely beautiful houses. Look at this bad boy here. That's just one house, that. And you've got these ones down here. They look a little bit like London townhouses, but chateaus. And this is a new one they're just building on the corner. Again, I've not checked any prices on these yet, but these are absolutely stunning. In fact, what I'll do is, I'll do a bit of research when I get back to the hotel and find out some prices on these. But absolutely amazing. Look at that bad boy. And I think there's one more over here. So that one there is one full house. As you can see, Deli's pointing it out. I've noticed here as well, they always have a lot of shutters on the windows. I'm not sure whether that's for, well, I assume it's for security. I wouldn't have thought there was much crime in Luxembourg. But they all seem to have shutters on. Got an amazing garage and backyard. Honestly, amazing. Why can't they build stuff like this in Manchester? So as well as having amazing houses, looks like they've got some taste as well. There's my baby. Defender 90. As we all know, a stunning and amazing machine. Old Faithful. One amazing house again. They're all beautiful, all very different. I'd love to know how much these are. These are all individual houses. I'm not sure what kind of design you'd call them. Very, I don't even know if there's a word, chateau-esque. I don't know, we'll see. Chateau-esque. So we're on the next leg of the European tour. We've just left Luxembourg. What an absolutely beautiful place. I loved it to bits. The properties were amazing. I think I gave it a new title yesterday. They're very chateau-esque. Absolutely stunning. I did check out some of the prices, by the way. And for I think it was just a flat that we saw. So one of the flats there was, let me get this exactly right, it was 111 meters squared, which I think is about 1,300 square foot. Obviously we convert it into that for the UK guys. So 1,300 square foot roughly, and that was 1.3 million pounds just for, 1.3 million euros just for that flat. So that gives you a good indication. I reckon them houses that we saw yesterday were probably around about 5 to 10 million. Again, so ridiculous prices, but absolutely stunning buildings, and what a stunning city as well. It was really interesting. We didn't see any graffiti anywhere. I didn't find any graffiti anywhere. You didn't see, it just felt like a safe and really nice place to live. So cheers for putting up with us, Luxembourg. It was a great place and really enjoyed being there today. We've now just headed out to a place called De Nantes. Looks like another amazing place. So we're in Belgium now. And in fact, we'll give you a quick look if you can see. Absolutely stunning. So we're going to grab some food here. Check it out, see what it's all about. I think if you can see there is a little cable car going up to the top there to, looks like another chateau. So we'll head to the top there, get some pictures and see what that's all about. And I've also been challenging myself on this journey. One of the things that I wanted to do was to obviously test the GP on a tour, do you know what I mean? So we had it on the track at the Nürburgring, which was amazing, and we've done a couple of thousand miles as well, and it's been very comfortable, as I said yesterday, surprisingly comfortable. You take it out of GP mode, it's just great. I think it helps that these European roads are such good roads, way better than the English roads. You've not got potholes everywhere. They seem to be, I don't know how they keep them so smooth and nice, but I think the GP's been comfortable, but I think the roads have been great as well. One of my challenges that I'm trying to do though is I'm trying to check out what's the highest miles per gallon we can actually get out of the GP. My goal is before we get to, we're going to Bruges next, so before we get to Bruges I want to try and get to 30 miles per gallon. I'm not seeing that yet on here. If you look now, we're currently on 29.2. I think the highest that I've had on this journey is 29.6. So challenge on. I'm going to try and get this bad boy to 30 miles per gallon before we get to Bruges. I'll give you an update soon. So we've just headed up in the cable car to the to La Citadelle here in De Nantes. Here's an amazing view from the top. I think I called it a chateau before. I don't think it is a chateau, so I apologise again. But beautiful views from the top. I've just found out that the fella that actually invented the saxophone is from here. What was his name again, Adele? Adolf Sax. He used to live here and he invented the saxophone. Top bloke. So this is me being cultured. A little bit of a history lesson from Delhi and Matt. Here's some cannons. Another cannon. Are you laughing at my history lesson? Watch that step there. Oh, there's another cannon. No, very nice. I think you'll all be watching these videos intrigued with my historic knowledge. Oh, do you fancy some hog for your dinner? As you do, a cannon in your room while you're sleeping, keep you safe. This is what I feel like after a long day in the office. Oh, he's got my eyebrows as well. Look at them. He's not got hairy ears now. This must be where they made the Hollandaise. Hollandaise. Good knowledge, this. We have been to some cracking places, haven't we? Some beautiful places. So you guys will have to let me know whether this is something that you want us to do more of, whether you just want to stick to the car stuff. Again, we're doing this because this has been fun, just checking out Europe in the car, and kind of killing two birds with one stone, really. So let me know what you guys think. It's been an enjoyable journey so far, and I'd like to keep doing some of these journeys. So we just got to Bruges. What a pretty little city this is. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to having a quick look around, checking out what there is here. Like I said, it looks very pretty what we've seen so far. So we just got to the hotel. It's a little boutique hotel. It's only been open for a year, and unfortunately most of that they've actually been closed for due to the COVID-19 outbreak. So let's go and have a quick look and let's show you guys around. So you look at this, it's all these oldie worldy houses. These are part of the hotel. Absolutely stunning. You've got the river there as well, which we'll take a look at in a second. Here's the name of the hotel. Let's see if I can say it. Freies Boutique. Absolutely stunning. Here it's got a little garden area with a bar. Again, unfortunately, due to the COVID stuff, I'm not sure how long this is going to be open for again. Hopefully they'll not have to close down again. But what a great little place. Deli found this. We got a great deal, to be honest. I think it was just about 100 quid. You got an outdoor area there as well with fire pits. Looks great. So unfortunately, this is only going to be a very brief visit to Bruges. It does look very pretty, and we'd love to be here for a little bit longer, but we've got a ferry to catch in the morning because we've got a meeting in London. But we're going to grab some chocolate, we're going to grab a quick Belgian beer and see what we can do. Check out this. This is going to be the fanciest McDonald's that you've ever seen in your life. Never thought I'd say it, but that's a pretty McDonald's. Cheers. Cheers. Great trip. So that's it for the European road trip. We've had an amazing time, been to some amazing cities. The GP has been fantastic on track and on tour. Has been very comfortable all the way through. I've had a cracking time. You had a good time? Yeah. It's been great. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it as well. So if you'd like to see more of these trips, then please make sure you let us know. But for the meantime, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon.